No, no, no. Oh, my girl. Oh, that was not graceful. Hello, big boy.
Stinky bum, you put your stinky bum. Yeah.
Hey, boy, you wanna go walk? You wanna go walk? People are always asking the question, why do we do it? For me, the answer is simple and it's obvious. It's to enrich the lions' lives and to give them a quality of life. 1, 2, 3, it's gone after something. I don't know what it is, but I can't see a thing in this long grass.
1, 2, 3, and all is alright.
Yeah, Meg and Amy have caught something. I think it's a boar. Bush pig. Let me get there. Obviously we have a responsibility to transfer information over to people, and that's what we hope to do on a walk like this. So there's old Amy enjoying some fresh buck poop, getting all that lovely smell all over her body. Ooh, is that nice. A lot of people also ask, why do I put a camera on the lions? It's just nice for people out there who live around the world to see from a lion's perspective, you know, how they move, where do they go.
1, 2, 3,
Which is pretty cute. I just want to, no. No flopping over. I'll only be able to put it on her when she's outside, because at the moment she's really excited to get going. Don't even think about it. My girl, stop it. You're mad. Complete affection, and it's just excitement. It's just exactly. Yeah. I'm so happy to be out, and I can't contain my enthusiasm, so I'm going to jump on you. No, Gabby. So even when she jumps on me like that, and she's talking, she's like so excited, you know.
And I hope that it's like.
That's part of my missions in this world, is to paint them in a new light, show people a new, different side to hyenas, and explain to people that they're not these dirty, rotten, smelly, scavenging scoundrels, but actually highly intelligent social animals that have a equally important function to play in the ecosystem as lions. Let's see if I can get him to yawn. Yawn, yawn, there we go, yawn. Normally I wouldn't take on rescues, but these two tugged at my heartstrings, especially young George, and we decided to take them in on the provision that they would be used as ambassadors and spread the message. So cub petting isn't just a problem uniquely to South Africa. It is also a problem that we see around the world, and that we over here can also create awareness about. Yeah, come on, Yummy! Come on, boy! Yeah! Hop along, Cassidy. The story of how Meg and Amy and myself met. Meg and Amy were neglected by their mother Tabby, who I also have in my care. What I decided to do was to put them with their aunt Maddie Tau, who also had cubs at the time. But Maddie Tau wasn't having anything of it. She wasn't stupid. She knew that these two were different, and she grabbed them by the scruffs of their necks and put them in the water bath that she was using for drinking. And I had to basically I basically had to drag these two little drowned rats out of the water and hand raise them. You have to have that trusting relationship, and I think it's apparent with Meg and Amy that that's exactly where we are in our relationship, and it's ongoing. It never should be taken for granted. It's been 13 years of hard work, commitment, trust, perseverance, and a lot of patience too.
I will run right through this old town.
These lions, they never cease to amaze me.